Using your Dave digital card at an ATM is a straightforward process that allows you to access your funds when you need them. To get started, make sure you have the Dave app installed on your mobile device and that your digital card is set up and ready for use. First, locate an ATM that accepts the payment network associated with your Dave digital card, such as Visa or MasterCard. You can usually find this information on the ATM itself or by checking the payment network's website. Next, insert your physical debit card or use the digital card information stored in your mobile wallet to initiate the transaction. If you are using your mobile wallet, simply tap your device on the contactless payment terminal or select the digital card from your wallet app. Once you have initiated the transaction, enter your PIN to verify your identity. If you are using a mobile wallet, you may be prompted to authenticate using biometric data such as a fingerprint or face scan, or by entering a passcode. After verifying your identity, select the type of transaction you want to perform, such as withdrawing cash or checking your account balance. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transaction, and be sure to take your card and any cash or receipts when you are finished. It is essential to be aware of any fees associated with using your Dave digital card at an ATM, such as out-of-network fees or foreign transaction fees. You can find this information in the Dave app or by contacting customer support. To avoid any issues when using your Dave digital card at an ATM, make sure you have sufficient funds in your account and that your card is not expired or locked. You can check your account balance and card status in the Dave app at any time. By following these steps and being mindful of any potential fees or limitations, you can use your Dave digital card at an ATM with confidence and convenience.